Okay. Students be online. Good afternoon, all. Okay. So I think you can able to see my screen. Am I audible? One of you can chat or type in the comment section. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Control J and show in folder. Just give me some time. Open with Microsoft Edge. Okay, where is the hobbies? Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay, where it is? Why my video is not coming? Just give me 1 minute. Actually, my display is not there. Just- Can you able to see my screen? Am I visible? क्या वीडियो क्लास में हाँ क्यों क्या हो गया वो प्रश्न लगा तो भी मेल आया बोले हाँ अनुराग सर आप यार अनुराग सर आप वो यार अनुराग सर होंगे देखो just display capture just 1 minute. Okay, so sorry for interruption. I think now you can able to see my screen, it seems. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you all. So sorry for the delay. So now yesterday we are doing this question, direct and investment question. So let us continue further with the same. So this were the questions what we are doing in the previous class, and some of the students they asked some doubts. Let me go through your doubts also. Before that, meanwhile, we'll take one question and all of you start doing that question. Let us take these questions. Question number 97. Can you able to see question number 97? All of you start doing this question number 97. Okay, so the question is a recipe for a particular type of muffins required 1 cup of milk and 1 point cup of chocolates. Ria has 7.5 cups of chocolates. If she is using a recipe as a guide, how many cups of milk will she need to prepare muffins? So now we have to find how many cups of milk is required to make these muffins. So you know that for 1 cup of milk, we need 1.5 cup of chocolate. Okay. So now for 7.5 cup of chocolates, how much milk is required? So that we have to find here. So already we can see the Bhargav has given the answer. So Bhargav has written we need 5 cups of chocolates, 5 cups of milk is required. So we'll wait for others also and we'll see their answers. So Bhargav has written 5. What about others? Others, write your answers, what you are getting. And by the time, let me adjust my screen. Okay. So you can see here, you have to make the columns whenever you are doing these type of questions. So what columns we are going to make here? Let me go through the question first and then you can. What are the two columns that I have to make here? The two columns what I have to make here? Amount of milk required or number of cups of milk and number of cups of chocolate. So you can make two columns, number of cups of milk and number of cups of chocolate. Okay, so these are the two columns that we have to make here. So one you can take it as X and other one you can take it as Y. So now for 1 cup of milk, so for 1 cup of milk, 1.5 cup of chocolate is required. 1.5 cup of chocolate is required. Now for 7.5 cups of chocolate, how much amount of milk is required that they are asking. We can take this as X. So first of all, we need to identify whether the given question is of direct proportion or it is of inverse proportion. So now you tell me whether this question is of direct proportion or inverse proportion. Write it in the chat section. Obviously, if you want to make more chocolate or more muffins, so obviously we need more milk and more chocolate. So it's the question of direct, and if it's a question of direct, then we have to use which relation? X1 by Y1, X1 by Y1 should be equal to X2 by Y2. So now that is 1 by 1.5 is equal to x by 7.5. So we have to find the value of x. This 7.5 you send it on the other side. So what you will get? 7.5 into 1 divided by 1.5 is equal to x. So when you simplify, you get 5. So the value of x will be what? 5. So we need 5 cups of milk in order to mix with 7.5 cups of chocolate. Okay, so we'll go to the next question now. All of you do this question number 99. Just 1 minute. Okay. Yes. So now all of you do this question number 99. A bowler throws a cricket ball at a speed of 120 km per hour. How long does this ball take to travel a distance of 20 meter to reach the batsman. Now you have to find to reach this 20-meter batsman, how much time it will take. That you have to find here. All of you do this question number 99. A bowler throws a cricket ball at a speed of 120 km per hour. How long does the ball takes to travel a distance of 20 meter to reach the batsman? Let me zoom in. Okay, speed of the cricket ball and distance. Very good. Okay. Speed of the cricket ball, but do we need speed here? In the question, what they're asking, you see the question carefully. How long does the ball take? How long does this ball take? How long means what? They are asking about time. So there you have to make a column of time and distance. So you need to understand the questions carefully. Make the column of time and distance, not speed. Don't take speed. We are not talking about speed. We have to cover 20-meter distance, and here we need to find the time. How much time it is going to take, that you have to find here. So make the column of time and distance. Then you find for 20 meter how much time it will take. Okay, Sonu Tiwari has written 0.6. So very good, Sonu Tiwari. Can you tell me how you got that answer? 0.6 seconds. Okay. So anybody got answer to this question? Let me see here. Okay. So first of all, how to do this question? Let me explain this question. See here, again you have to make the columns. Which two columns you have to make here? As I told you earlier, you have to make the column of time and distance. So make the column of time and distance. So time you see here, they are given the ball is traveling at the speed of 120 km per hour. So what do you mean by this 120 km per hour? In 1 hour, it is traveling how much distance? It is traveling 120 kilometers. Now, we have to find how much time it is going to take to travel 20 meter. To travel 20 meter, how much time it is going to take, that we have to find here. Okay, so now you see here, whatever you are taking, everything should be in same unit. One is in meter and another one is in kilometer. So it cannot be like that. So if you are taking this in meter, here also it should be in meter. So 120 kilometer means how much meter you will get? So that we are to multiply by 1000 meter. Or else just we are using these 3 4 zeros. Okay, and 1 hour is there. Obviously, if you take 1 hour, the answer will come in hours, that fraction it will come. So, to make it simple, what I am doing this hour, I am multiplying by 60 into 60, or that is 3600. 1 hour I am multiplying by 3600 because see here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So again I am multiplying by 60. So 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds, that is 3600 seconds. So instead of putting that in hour, I am putting this in seconds, 3600 seconds. So now here you see here in 3600 seconds the ball is traveling 1,20,000 meter. Now to travel 20 meter, how much time it is going to take, that you have to find here. So you take this as x. So now if it traveling for more time, obviously it will take more distance or it will cover more distance. So it is a question of direct proportion. That is 3600 second divided by 1,20,000 is equal to x by 20. So cross multiply. How much you will get? X is equal to 3600 into 20 divided by 1,20,000. So 3 zeros they will get cancelled down. 36 into 2 divided by 120 is there. So that you need to simplify. So if you simplify, you will get 60. And here 36 by 60, when you simplify, you get 6 by 10. Then x is equal to 0.6. And what is this 0.6? Here you see this column. It is there in second. The answer will also come in second. So 0.6 seconds. 0.6 second is the correct answer. So I am leaving early, have some work. Okay, so I am closing this class early, and all of you start doing that remaining question from that NCRT exemplar. So just 1 minute, I'll give the attendance link. All of you mark that attendance. Drive. Just 1 minute. Okay, all of you mark your attendance. I got some work, so I'm leaving early.